One of the biggest mistakes I see loan officers and realtors make in their business is with their taxes and their bookkeeping. You guys are real estate professionals. You guys are commissioned. You're going to have to pay tax. But the great news is you're a real estate professional if you're a realtor. And if you're a loan officer and you're not 1099, you're W-2, that's a whole nother story. We definitely need to have a conversation. I paid hundreds of thousands of dollars in unnecessary tax over the years being W-2'd. Being 1099 is definitely the way to go. So if you're a realtor, you're a loan officer, you're 1099, you should have a business entity that you're paying. Everything should be going into that, and you should be accounting for all the expenses that you're taking to run your business, which the majority of your life is a business expense if you're a full-time real estate professional. There's all kinds of tax offerings and laws and benefits for being real estate professionals, cost segregations, depreciated tax. So there's a lot of different things that you can do to make sure that you're not writing a huge check to the government every single year and you're exercising tax law and doing what they want you to do with your money where you just be able to direct it. So bookkeeper, get a bookkeeper every single month. It's not that expensive. Have them reconcile your books. Meet with your CPA every single quarter. If you don't have a good CPA that understands real estate tax law, I definitely recommend that you get one. I have a great one I could refer you to if you like. And then as you're going through your year, meet with a bookkeeper and your accountant every single quarter. Say, hey, what I'm staring at. All right, I'm staring at a few $100,000, potential, tax consequence. Now, what assets or what things can I do in my business to be able to offset this taxable income? Do I need to buy more rental properties? Do I need to buy a commercial building? Do I need to add my kids to the payroll? If they're in your business working for you, that's definitely an option. Should I let up my HSA? Am I exercising Augusta rules? There's a lot of different things that you can do to help offset some of the tax burden that you have. So biggest mistakes I see agents make, they're not running a real estate business. They don't even have a business entity that they're paying every single month. They're not tracking their expenses. They get a big commission, they go spend all their money, and then comes tax time, they get hit with a huge tax bill, and they're like, I have no idea where I'm gonna come up with this. So if it was me, I'd rather be looking at what I'm gonna potentially owe, and I'm acquiring assets accordingly to help offset and defer the tax that, I could be liable for. So more tips and tricks on real estate, tax, and investing. Make sure to give me a follow and stay in touch.